We have entered into the courtyard. Lovely potted plants over there. I met the landscapers, the gardeners, very hard working. Okay, so this leads to the castle spa, the indoor swimming pool through there with sauna and so forth. Outdoor seating area, there's loads of outdoor seating area throughout. Lovely, I like the rope features. Okay, so this is the courtyard bistro. I like the plants. This looks really good when it's lit up at night. Right, so we're gonna pop into the courtyard bistro because a hot chocolate has my name on it. Let me just pause this right now because we're going to enter into the spa area. What a treat indeed. I ordered a hot chocolate and ended up with Bailey's hot chocolate with whipped cream, marshmallows and all of this delicious treats on top. And I've got my book. It's called The Shock Doctrine by Naomi Klein. I recommend it. It's very interesting indeed. And I'm having it at the Courtyard Bistro. And wow, they really do go all out to spoil their guests. Cheers. Very creamy, sweet, delicious, and nice. I can taste the Baileys. My. Just look at this. Worry not, the gym, the swimming pool and sauna is literally just right through there. So I ain't got far to go to burn off the calories and make up for it. We'll worry about that later. Okay, so we are at the edge of the golf course, and for safety precaution it says please beware, guests are not permitted on the golf course for safety reasons, thank you. And you have the facility over here to clean your shoes and your trolleys, and you have the brush. That's pretty handy. And there's lights on this tree, this lovely huge fern tree. I can imagine it's possibly thousands and thousands of years old. Let's go to my left. And just up there you've got the golf course house, but we shall go around this way. And of course we're walking through the car park. They have several car parks because they've got an overflowing car park. As you know, they keep corporate events and weddings as well as other events going on. So it's quite handy to have multiple car parks. There's no overflowing. There is lots of activities to do on site, a little something for everybody. Some people may prefer to go hiking. Thank God the weather's not too bad today. They've also got disabled guest parking facility. You've got the club captain car park, lady captain, club professionals, etc. And this is the entrance leading up to the golf club. You can see the sign there. The course is open. Wow, it's quite a huge course. What's that, 18 holes? You've got the halfway house in this region there. You've got the par, the holes, the yards. Honestly, I don't really understand the terminology of these golf terms, but it all sounds exciting. Hello.
How are you, love? You all right?
I'm not too bad. Oh, just doing some sightseeing now.
Yeah, don't forget, you're here till Friday.
Yes,
Don't forget to give us your card on Friday so I can get onto it and have a look at it.
I will, definitely.
Please.
Definitely will do. Okay, so that was one of the lovely gardeners and landscapers that I was just talking to. You know, the hard-working men that I mentioned, and there's some hard-working women, of course, amongst them. And here is the outdoor space. It's really nice, very nice. And you've got the view of the castle. There's restaurant and bar inside there. Lovely. You can see a bit of the golf club from this angle. The golf course, shall I say, from this angle. Okay, and it goes way, way, way over yonder. Right, so we're walking back this way. And that's the golf club shop. You can buy all your bits and bobs in there. And there's the trolleys. Okay. Ooh, look at the base of this tree. This one must be millions of years old. Now you all know I love being amongst nature. Nature is my thing. We've got Castle Lodge rooms, and it says no golf trolleys allowed beyond this point. Look at the lovely plant pots there. I like this little bridgeway here. Excellent, excellent. Okay, so guys, I'm cheating a little bit because some of the lovely staff showed me a shortcut. This is more for service, okay, service area, but I've got the shortcut to the lift leading up to my room, so that's pretty handy. Excellent, eh? You see what I mean? So again, the health club is that way. The lift leading to my room is there, and you've got the spa through that door there.